Welcome back to Pro Wheelhouse, the channel where we dive deep into the world of high-performance motorcycles, engineering breakthroughs, and the machines shaping the future of riding. Today, we take a close and detailed look at one of the most anticipated motocross models of the year, the 2026 Yamaha YZ250F. Yamaha's 250 class 4-stroke has built a legendary reputation for balance, agility, and power delivery, and the new 2026 version pushes that legacy even further with modern upgrades, smarter engineering, and competition-ready performance straight out of the crate. Engine and performance upgrades. The heart of the 2026 YZ250F remains a compact and highly optimized 250 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled DOHC engine, but Yamaha refines it with improved intake airflow, a reshaped combustion chamber, and updated ECU mapping. These upgrades focus on creating a power band that is not only strong but incredibly responsive. Riders will notice deeper torque in the low end and a cleaner, snappier pull through the mid-range, exactly where most riders need it during tight corner exits. The titanium valves and lightweight piston design contribute to faster revving, allowing riders to hit peak power smoothly and consistently. Yamaha has clearly prioritized controllability, making sure the bike doesn't just have raw power but usable power that translates into better lap times and more confidence for riders of all skill levels. Refined chassis and handling. The 2026 model features a subtly redesigned bilateral beam aluminum frame that trims weight while enhancing rigidity where it matters. This engineering approach improves both stability and flickability. The bike now feels planted at high speeds yet agile during tricky transitions, helping riders maintain control in deep ruts, whoops, and technical rhythm sections. The central mass placement remains one of Yamaha's strongest design points. By keeping heavier components closer to the middle of the bike, the YZ250F continues to offer predictable handling even when the track conditions change. Whether a rider is attacking a steep jump face or hammering through an uneven berm, the balance of the bike gives a sense of precision that sets it apart from many competitors. Suspension and rider comfort. Yamaha once again relies on the proven KYB suspension system, but the 2026 version comes with revalved settings to improve bump absorption and bottoming resistance. The front forks offer impressive sensitivity over small chop, while the rear shock provides better traction during acceleration. Riders will appreciate the adjustability, as the suspension can be tuned to fit a variety of riding styles, from aggressive motocross racing to weekend trail sessions. Ergonomics have also been refined with a slimmer seat design and improved contact points, allowing riders to shift their body weight more naturally. The overall cockpit layout creates a more connected riding experience, making long practice sessions less tiring and race performance more consistent. Technology and smart features. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250F continues the brand's push towards smarter motocross machines. The updated Yamaha Power Tuner app allows riders to customize engine maps directly from a smartphone, adjusting throttle response and fuel delivery with remarkable precision. This feature gives riders and racers the ability to tailor the bike for different tracks, weather conditions, or personal preferences without needing complex tools or mechanical expertise. Additionally, Yamaha enhances the launch control system for even more predictable starts. Combined with the revised gear ratios, riders can expect quicker acceleration off the line and more stable performance during the critical first seconds of a race. Design and weight reduction. A redesigned airbox, slimmer bodywork, and lighter plastic components contribute to the YZ250F's improved weight distribution. Yamaha keeps the aggressive, modern look but focuses heavily on practical benefits such as easier maintenance and improved airflow. The new radiator shrouds channel air more efficiently, helping maintain engine temperature during demanding riding sessions. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ250F pushes Yamaha's 250 class dominance forward with a balanced mix of power, precision, and advanced technology. From the responsive engine to the race-focused chassis, improved suspension, and smart tuning features, this bike is built to give riders every advantage possible on the track. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a growing rider ready for the next level, the 2026 YZ250F offers performance that inspires confidence and elevates every ride.